tablet looks incredible on paper, but there are a few things you should know before buying the OPPO Pad Mini. In this video, I'll quickly break down the good, the bad, and the features that actually matter. And if this helps you out, make sure to like, comment, and share. Big thanks to my tech partner over in China for providing this footage. I really appreciate the support in making this video happen. Hey everyone, Stella here from techiestreet. If you're into staying updated with the newest gadgets, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our latest tech content. All right, let's get right into the unboxing. First, the display. You're getting an 8.8-inch 2.5K OLED panel with a super smooth 144Hz refresh rate. Right away, it feels premium. The bezels are thin, modern-looking, and OPPO also included TÜV Rheinland Eye Protection 5.0, so it's easier on your eyes during long use. Brightness is seriously impressive too. It peaks at 1600 nits, so outdoor visibility is excellent, even in harsh sunlight. And at night, when brightness drops to just 2 nits, the screen still looks clean and balanced instead of uneven or patchy. There's also a unique pastel display mode. Unlike the usual yellow ebook modes, this gives a softer color e-paper effect that actually feels closer to reading a real book, especially for comics. The one I have is the standard version, but OPPO also offers a soft light edition. Now, there is one thing that might bother some people: the punch-hole selfie camera. Visually, it can look a little odd, but honestly, that's the compromise for getting ultra-thin bezels, so it really depends on what you prefer. Another thing you'll notice is the volume button placement. They're on the top edge instead of the side, which feels strange at first. Not a huge issue, but definitely something you'll need to get used to. And yes, the body is plastic too. Now, here's where things get interesting. OPPO paired this display with a brand new AI stylus, and the experience is surprisingly good. Thanks to the X-axis motor, writing feels very close to pen on paper. It's smooth, responsive, and pressure sensitive, so it reacts naturally while writing or drawing. And the AI features are actually useful. Press and hold the stylus, and you can instantly access tools like AI search, navigation, or one-tap memory. Press again, and the AI wheel pops up for quick notes or annotations anywhere in the system. You can even customize gestures and write directly on the screen, which makes the stylus feel genuinely useful for both work and creativity. And that's not even the best part. OPPO brought over the same AI toolkit from the Find N6, which adds some seriously useful features. You get real-time text refinement, AI chart generation, and even AI drawing tools built directly into the tablet. There's more too. You get laser pointer mode, air gestures, and map-level search features right out of the box. Multitasking is a big focus here, with multi-window support, free-form panoramic windows, and even PC-style gestures that make the whole experience feel way more productive. Now, powering everything is the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen5, and honestly, this thing flies. Apps open instantly, multitasking feels effortless, and even under heavy load, it stays smooth. It runs on ColorOS 16 Gold label, and the software experience feels polished and refined. OPPO also upgraded its AI creative tools. You get the PC version of WPS Office and the professional version of Silhouette, so editing videos feels surprisingly close to using a real computer. Plus, there's even a one-tap GIF creation feature that makes content creation quick and fun on the go. For connectivity, it supports Apple-style ecosystem features and seamless phone syncing. The only missing piece is eSIM support. That said, OPPO's communication sharing feature helps make up for it. Now, let's talk real performance, because the numbers are actually crazy. The Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen5 scores over 3 million on Antutu, and in gaming, it performs exactly how you'd hope. Honor of Kings runs at an average of 143.4 FPS after 30 minutes, while Genshin Impact stays around 59.3 FPS with solid stability. Gamers also get super resolution, frame boosting, HDR support, AI gaming tools, keyboard and mouse mapping, plus bypass charging for longer sessions. Battery life is another big win. The 8,000 mAh battery easily lasts a full day, even with heavy use. Charging is fast too, 50% in just 24 minutes, and fully charged in around an hour with 67-watt charging. As for the speakers, I'll let you judge the sound for yourself, but overall, the experience is pretty satisfying. Looking at the full package, OPPO did a really solid job with its first mini tablet. Instead of excelling in just one area, it feels balanced everywhere. It's thinner and lighter than the Apple Mini while also offering a better display and stronger gaming performance. Honestly, if the next version adds eSIM and hides the front camera inside the bezel, this could be very close to perfect. These are just my first impressions. A full review is coming soon, so make sure to subscribe if you don't want to miss it. See you in the next one!